Hey guys, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this Ahopegarden. Uh, so this is an intelligent planter. So without further ado, let's take these steps down over here. Open this big box. It comes in a big box. It's a big planter. It says power. Interesting. And not very heavy. So take all this styrofoam out, protecting. There it is, and that's it. We just have some manuals. Put that to the side for now. I guess we take this off, protective thing off, and we have. It says you press over here. We have the power. Great. And then how do we move this? It's a press. Move it. Alright. There's a draining hole. And the planter. So interesting. Water pump DC connector cannot be immersed. This whole thing comes off. There is all the stuff we need inside there. I'm just trying to figure out how to just lift this up by hand. And there it is. You guys, these are some seeds. We have some plastic planter containers. And we have little pods. Alright, so we're definitely gonna have to read because there's a bunch of stuff in here. So there is a water. We're gonna put water in here. It has a water level, so we can tell. Well, you know how the water is. Our controls are up here. Yeah. Just gotta find the power connector, which should be this box right here. Look at that. So everything you need comes with this. There's a power, tells us we're plugging our power, and that's it. So it's very simple. Very interesting, very simple. Leave the power off for now. So 30 minutes on, 30 minutes off. That's the pump. I think this is some seeds. Let's open this up. Move this to the side right now. And oh, this is our stuff that we need. These are plant food and 2 bottles of plant food that we have. That's awesome. Glad that they sent that. And I'm wondering if we need to buy their plant food for that, but we'll find that out. Probably not. Probably any plant food will do. Plenty of feed the food, right? Everybody's gotta eat, even your food. Little cups. And little caps. I'm thinking, you know, to cover this part over here. Those are the little caps for it. So I guess if you're not using it or when you're germinating. And there are some stickers. I'm not sure what the stickers are for yet, but yeah, they're all pretty much the same. Oh, so you can write the name on it, what it is. You can say letters, blah blah blah. Some date stickers. Yeah, and little seed, so we can drop those in there. Very interesting. And a new cap in case you lose the cap for the water that comes with it. So it's funny because they don't give you enough of this, I don't think. No, they give you like 5 or so. All of them. But yeah, perfect. So this is everything so far that comes in the box. These are the little pods. I guess I don't include seeds because I haven't seen it yet. So you gotta provide your own seeds. And this is where you dump the seeds into. So this goes inside this, which I haven't opened yet. So, FYI, there's the pods. This goes inside here. And then you dump your seed in there. And then of course this goes inside here, like that. And this sits in the water. So then it sprouts up. So that is the idea anyways. I'm gonna set this all up. Start planting some basil, because basil is the true test to anything growing, because basil is so freaking hard. So we'll see how that works. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoy making for you guys, and take care.